no? Sabi mo ng Big Brother.
Big Brother up.
Try to
It's okay, just
paint
breathe.
yung ano.
Wag kaya ka mag-just breathe.
Okay.
Salamat.
Then,
Today.
say it aloud.
Top 3 happiest moments.
I got it. It's easy, yeah? Okay. Your turn to shine. Let's do it.
Yes.
Okay, in front of the, yeah, there we go.
Happiest moment.
Whenever you're ready. Don't forget, Mixed Daily Top 10, your VJ.
Sige, sige. Think mo na ako. Yeah, sige. Happiest. You're saying something?
Kaya mo yan.
Happiest.
Wala kang maisip na happiest? Or sobrang dami mo naiisip na happy?
Sobrang dami. Like, palaging happy. So,
Well, from the latest na lang siguro.
sige. Top
Yeah.
One is about bread.
Your big three.
Yun.
Big three.
Oh!
Oh!
Yeah.
See?
Okay.
Sige, alam ko na.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Mic. Use the mic.
Mic test.
Confidence. Okay.
Rolling, and 3, 2, 1, action!
Hello everyone, and now we're back here in the #1 music channel of the Philippines and Daily Top 10. My name is
DJ.
and I'm DJ Fritzy. And my top 3 happiest moments. Number 3 is just now, when you picked me to be the VJ here. I'm so happy that I'm able to project it as like this. Top 2 when I'm part of the big 3, and of course I'm so happy. And top 1, and so when I saw my mom when she went here in the PBB house, and I was so surprised that she went here, and so happy. And I hope you enjoyed.
Wait. One more time daw. Let's try it in Bisaya.
Sige.
Okay. Sige.
Breathe. It's okay.
Oh!
Breathe.
It's okay. Okay, now let's try it in Bisaya.
Bisaya? Sige.
Okay. Sana, tira natin kung maintindihan ko to. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
Wait. I'll change my kasi.
Go.
Smile. What else happiest moments?
Bisaya
Sige. Sorry. Kahit hindi kayo makaintindi?
Yes!
Pati-
Naiintindihan
Kahit hindi naman naintindihan, okay lang. Even for the others, try to say it in English, just after that, pwede kayo mag-Bisaya din.
So if there's
Okay?
like
Or
Taglish,
Korean, or...
Bisglish.
Oh, pwede din Korean daw.
Bisaya English.
Okay?
Sige.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, karon! Balik na ang #1 music channel of the Philippines and Daily Top 10. Ako, ang DJ Fritzy. And now, our top 3 happiest moments. Top 3. Number 3. Ang ikatulo kay Katong Among concert successful kayo and daghan kay tao na nanaw and daghan kay ni suporta sa among concert. So I was so masaya and happy. Top 2, katong niari akong inahan sa balay ni Kuya. Na-shock jud ko and na-surprise kay niari siya. Wala ko nag-expect. And top 1 sa mga task na mga nadaog na mo. And of course, super masaya ko. And I hope na kuan ka mo. Nalipay.
Nalipay yun!
I enjoyed watching her. I enjoyed, her smile was very infectious. Parang, kahit na I did not understand what you were talking about, I was like, parang somehow, nakaka-relate ako. But then again, you're not a DJ. You're a VJ.
VJ, ha? VJ.
Oh,
Ano
DJ.
sinabi ko?
DJ.
Oh my God! Oh, DJ. Talaga?
Oh, pero okay lang.
But it's,
Okay lang.
yeah, it was
Sorry,
good.
sorry.
Yun, pero